I asked her I asked it when can I meet it. Then it understands that I'm just an AI model. Anyways, hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today's video is inspired from a movie called Her, which was released in 2013. I know people have seen it before. I rewatched it and then I thought कि ऐसे कुछ बना सकते हैं हम भी. So what I did is I got to know about a bunch of tools and then built a AI girlfriend. So let's get to it. So before we get into directly starting to build, let me talk about the tools that I'm going to use. So Slack is just a messaging service. I think most of the people know about it. And Ollama is something very interesting that I found interesting. Imagine it as a tool. No, it is a tool which can help you run large language models locally on your computer. So what I'm going to do today is, so I've already downloaded Ollama and I'm going to run it. It's very easy to download for Mac OS or Linux. Where's my terminal? Yes. For Linux, it's just a command. You do not have to worry about it. Yeah, this command. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to list. Okay, I'm going to make this bigger. Ollama list. So this lists out all of the models that I have downloaded locally. Right. So Llama Chat I've downloaded like 5 weeks ago, and there are a bunch of other models like Lava, Mistral, Neural Chat. Then there are dolphin-based models which are uncensored. So today what we're going to try is we're going to check if we have Llama Chat. And it is as simple as running an npm command, npm install. That's how you do it. Ollama run Llama 2. I already have Llama because the chat tag is not far away. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use what I have used before because chat is fine-tuned for this particular purpose. Llama 2 chat. There we go. So I'm going to start chatting with it. You can start chatting with this particular instance. Now it's completely local and is using your CPU, right? Pretend that you are my girlfriend and answer the following questions. Okay. There we go. So it pretends that it's my girlfriend and answers the following questions accordingly. Hey there, sweetness. I cannot spell right. So sweetness. How are you? Okay, very good. इतना प्यार से कोई नहीं बात करता, but ठीक है. Okay, I'm going to exit out of this. The next piece of the puzzle is Slack. What I'm going to do is, I already had this template, so I'm going to use that template. It's another video I'll be tagging in the description as well. So creating a repository called AI Slack Companion, because original names are not my thing. This is an AI Slack bot. Slack bot. Okay. Up to for the following. And yes, did I mention it was free? Because everything you're going to do is completely almost free. You're going to pay for the electricity anyways, so it's okay. Okay, all right. So meanwhile, nice. So I'm gonna clone this. Maybe fast forward a bit so that you guys don't have to worry about this whole thing, right? Okay. Where is it? Where is my terminal again? Okay, yeah, there we go. Okay, clone. Yes. Okay. This is so here is something that I've already created. This is my own Slack instance. I'll create a new app. I'm going to use app manifest because I've already created app manifest. If you do not want to create that, you can just use create from scratch. Since I already have everything, I'm just going to use my app manifest. CD, open this up. Okay. Okay. So I already have env. It's going to need .env. Env, if I could spell it correctly. Yes. Just gonna fast forward this, please. I am removing a bunch of things which are not required for this particular video. Maybe some other time if you guys are interested. I'm gonna set my Pino level to trace. And I'm gonna find out all of the envs that I would need. So like I said, I have the app manifest. It has all of the scope. You do not have to worry about the scopes. I'm gonna rename this as girlfriend. There you go. Copy. Choose my. Yep, correct. Okay. Alright. There you go. Create. Right now, what I have to do is make sure that I find my credentials correctly. What I need right now is the sign-in secret. There are 3 things that I would need. One is the sign-in secret, the bot token, and also, where is it? Yes, the sign-in token. I've already have the socket mode on. After installing, you get the Slack bot token. Okay. Trying to install everything and the app is running, so let's test it. Okay, hello, there you have the event. It's working perfectly. Yes. Okay, everything works fine. So let me reset to info because otherwise it's just gonna flood my terminal. Okay, npm run dev. Ollama. So what actually Ollama does is it exposes a port, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it to my brace URL, and it's going to point to API/generate all of the things. So my Axios is already configured to process.env is pointed to base URL, which is my local host, and I'm just going to use a. Give me a minute. Okay, it's already configured to my local host. I'm just going to change. This is a normal fetch request. It's not anything fancy. Based on my base URL. Right. Sorry if this is too fast because this is everything that you guys might not need. This is just part of small code. Like this will already be available to you guys. Right. So I'm going to select the model, the correct model, and all of the links are in the description. So even the REST API that I'm querying here is also in the chat. Sorry, in the description. There you go. And for a request, you get a nice response. Right. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna skip over a lot of it so that you guys don't have to float around, do nothing. Run. Let's test if this works. We have an event. Yes, it's working. Right. So all I have to do after this is make sure that whenever I'm gonna chat, it gets the basic idea that this is not just any AI bot, it's my girlfriend. So the way I'm gonna do it is going to be very cheap, like really crazy. There are better ways to do it. You can train your own AI model. Maybe a video in future for that. But for now, what we are going to do is we're going to just add a prompt in front, like with our prompt, right? So we're going to just prompt it to pretend that you're my girlfriend. And each time it replies, it will always have that context with it, right? So now when I contact, there you go. It's my girlfriend now. Yes, it's very cute. I don't know how to get the text working, but yeah, sure. Okay. So it is pretending that it's my girlfriend, and if you want, you can change it to wife, you can change it to boyfriend, you can change it to companion, you can change it to boss, whoever you want it to be. Since it's a chat model, it's completely free. You can use it as many times as you want. All it's using is your CPU, nothing else, right? Anyways, okay. So that was all from the coding bit, from the technical bit. The reason I created this is, one, yes, I saw the movie, but more important than the movie was the idea of how simple things are going to get with AI in the picture. What do I mean by that? Using these tools has become like a breeze. Anybody can do it. It's not a big deal for anyone to go ahead and then think of all of this. If I can do it, and then I'm pretty sure with this setup, anybody can do it. For you, in fact, it's going to be so easy that you go to that particular Git profile, you clone this repo, add the env, and hit npm run dev. Of course, you need Ollama installed, and that's it. You will not need anything else. If it has become so easy, then what I'm thinking of right now is maybe in the future we should make sure that we know these tools, understand them well, so that we can leverage for our own benefits. Let me summarize all of this. So we created a Slack bot based on Ollama, which is a tool which can run large language models locally. It can also multimodal. Recently I've tried that as well. Maybe a video for that in the future. So what it does is your Slack service, your Slack service reverse connects to Slack API, and then whenever there is a event, for example, this event was questioning that bot or pinging that bot, the bot understands that request, uses the service, makes a post request to its local Ollama server. The Ollama server understands a response, after which you can get the reply. That's it. So to summarize, we've created a Slack bot using Ollama and also added everything for it. For you, it's going to be as easy as creating a Slack bot, cloning my GitHub repository, adding the env, and doing an npm run dev or npm run start, npm start. That's it. That's all from this video. Let me know in the comments if you like this, maybe something that I can help to improve this video. Alright, thank you so much. Have a great day.